Ever find yourself feeling hungry just an hour after lunch? That's because your meal might be missing one key ingredient: protein. If you want to lose weight and stay full longer, a high-protein lunch is a game changer. It keeps cravings away, boosts metabolism, and helps you stay energized throughout the day. In this video, I'll share 20 delicious high-protein lunch ideas that are easy to prepare, super tasty, and perfect for weight loss in 2025. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or need quick, on-the-go options, I've got you covered. And trust me, these meals are anything but boring. So let's jump right in. Why does protein matter for weight loss? When you eat enough protein, your body burns more calories during digestion, keeping your metabolism active. Protein helps control hunger. Unlike carbs, which cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, protein keeps you full and reduces cravings. Want to burn fat without losing muscle? Protein helps maintain lean muscle while you're in a calorie deficit, preventing muscle loss. Protein provides steady energy. Say goodbye to mid-afternoon crashes. High-protein meals keep you energized and focused throughout the day. How much protein do you need? For effective weight loss, aim for 25-30 grams of protein per meal to stay full and support muscle recovery. The power of balanced macros. A good high-protein lunch also includes healthy fats and fiber to maximize fullness and nutrients. Is plant-based protein enough? Absolutely. Foods like lentils, tofu, and chickpeas provide great plant-based protein options for weight loss. Avoid hidden sugar traps. Many so-called healthy lunches, like store-bought wraps or protein bars, contain hidden sugars that can stall your weight loss. Protein isn't just for gym-goers. Whether you're working out or not, eating enough protein helps maintain a healthy metabolism and strong body. Ready to transform your lunches? Let's dive into 20 high-protein lunch ideas that will keep you full, satisfied, and on track with your weight loss goals. Grilled chicken salad with avocado and feta, a protein-packed meal with lean grilled chicken, creamy avocado, and tangy feta cheese. This salad is full of fiber-rich greens, keeping you satisfied longer. The healthy fats from avocado help improve nutrient absorption. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for extra flavor. Tuna and avocado lettuce wraps, a low-carb, high-protein alternative using crisp lettuce instead of bread. Tuna provides lean protein and omega-3s, which support heart health. Avocado adds creaminess and essential healthy fats, perfect for a quick, no-cook lunch that keeps you energized. Turkey and veggie wraps with hummus, lean turkey, crunchy veggies, and hummus wrapped in a whole wheat tortilla for a balanced meal. The turkey provides high-quality protein, while hummus adds a plant-based protein boost. Whole wheat tortillas offer fiber to aid digestion, great for meal prep or a lunch on the go. Quinoa bowl with black beans, corn, and chicken, a fiber-rich, high-protein meal that's great for meal prep. Quinoa is a complete plant protein, making it a great base. Black beans add even more protein and fiber, keeping you full. A squeeze of lime and fresh cilantro enhances the flavors. Egg salad lettuce wraps with Greek yogurt dressing, a creamy, low-carb, high-protein lunch swap for traditional sandwiches. Greek yogurt replaces mayo for a healthier twist. The eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline. Serve with a side of cherry tomatoes for extra freshness. Grilled salmon with asparagus and quinoa, omega-3 rich salmon paired with asparagus and quinoa for a nutrient-dense meal. Salmon is loaded with heart-healthy fats and muscle-building protein. Roasted asparagus adds fiber and antioxidants. Quinoa provides plant-based protein and keeps you full. Tofu stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers, a plant-based, protein-rich option full of fiber and nutrients. Tofu is an excellent meat substitute packed with protein. Stir-frying with colorful bell peppers and broccoli adds crunch and vitamins. A light soy sauce or sesame dressing brings out the flavors. Cottage cheese with cherry tomatoes and cucumber slices, a refreshing, high-protein meal that requires no cooking. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly, keeping you full. Cherry tomatoes add sweetness and antioxidants. Serve with a sprinkle of black pepper or fresh herbs. Chicken and veggie skewers with Greek yogurt dip. A simple yet delicious high-protein meal for weight loss. Grilling chicken adds a smoky flavor while keeping it juicy. Bell peppers and onions add vitamins and fiber. The yogurt dip enhances the protein content and adds a tangy kick. Lentil and sweet potato bowl with spinach. A plant-based, protein-packed bowl perfect for meal prep. Lentils provide protein and iron, crucial for energy. Sweet potatoes offer complex carbs and vitamins. Spinach adds fiber and essential minerals. Shrimp and avocado salad with lime dressing. A light yet satisfying meal packed with protein and healthy fats. Shrimp is high in lean protein and low in calories. Avocado provides creaminess and heart-healthy fats. The fresh lime dressing brightens the flavors. Turkey meatballs with Zoodles, zucchini noodles. A low-carb, high-protein twist on pasta. Turkey meatballs are lean and protein-rich. Zoodles provide a pasta-like experience without the carbs. A light marinara sauce ties everything together. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers and cheese. A simple, high-protein, on-the-go meal. Eggs are rich in protein and essential nutrients. Whole grain crackers add fiber and slow-digesting carbs. Cheese provides calcium and extra protein. Grilled chicken and veggie quesadilla on whole wheat tortilla. A healthier, protein-packed version of a classic dish. Whole wheat tortillas add fiber and nutrients. Grilled chicken keeps it lean and satisfying. A mix of veggies and cheese creates a delicious balance. Protein smoothie with almond milk, peanut butter, and protein powder. A quick, filling meal for busy days. Protein powder ensures a high protein intake in a drinkable form. Almond milk keeps it dairy-free and low in carbs. Peanut butter adds flavor and healthy fats. Tuna salad with Greek yogurt and cucumber slices. A lighter, high-protein alternative to traditional tuna salad. Greek yogurt replaces mayo for a creamy texture. Tuna is packed with lean protein and omega-3s. Cucumbers add crunch and hydration. Beef and broccoli stir-fry with brown rice. A high-protein, muscle-building meal with balanced macros. Lean beef offers high-quality protein and iron. Broccoli provides fiber and antioxidants. Brown rice adds complex carbs for lasting energy. Chickpea and avocado toast on whole grain bread. A plant-based meal rich in protein and fiber. Mashed chickpeas provide protein and a creamy texture. Avocado adds healthy fats and flavor. Whole grain bread keeps it nutritious and filling. Cottage cheese bowl with berries and chia seeds. A sweet, refreshing, and protein-packed option. Cottage cheese offers a slow-digesting protein source. Berries provide natural sweetness and antioxidants. Chia seeds add fiber and omega-3s. Baked chicken breast with sweet potato and green beans, a classic high-protein meal, great for meal prep. Chicken breast is lean and high in protein. Sweet potatoes offer essential vitamins and slow-digesting carbs. Green beans add fiber and nutrients. Include lean protein sources. Choose lean protein options like chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, or legumes. These provide essential amino acids for muscle maintenance and keep you feeling full longer. Avoid heavily processed meats that contain additives and excess sodium. Add fiber-rich vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber helps digestion and keeps you satisfied for hours. Try roasting or steaming vegetables for maximum flavor and nutrient retention. Use healthy fats in moderation. Incorporate healthy fats from avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats enhance satiety and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. However, portion control is key, as fats are calorie-dense. Opt for whole grains over refined carbs. If you include carbs, choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat tortillas. They provide long-lasting energy and fiber without causing blood sugar spikes. Refined carbs, like white bread and pasta, can lead to energy crashes. Meal prep for the week. Preparing your high-protein lunches in advance saves time and ensures you make healthy choices. Cook proteins in bulk, chop vegetables, and portion meals in containers. This helps avoid impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Keep it balanced with macronutrients. A well-balanced lunch should contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This combination stabilizes blood sugar levels, prevents cravings, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. Use herbs and spices for flavor. Enhance the taste of your meals with fresh herbs and spices instead of relying on heavy sauces. Ingredients like garlic, turmeric, basil, and chili flakes add flavor and health benefits without extra calories. Avoid high-calorie dressings and sauces. Store-bought dressings and sauces often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Instead, use olive oil, lemon juice, vinegar, or Greek yogurt as a base for dressings to keep your meals light and nutritious. Pack high-protein snacks for extra support. If you tend to get hungry between meals, pack protein-rich snacks like boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, or a handful of almonds. These prevent overeating at lunch and stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Stay hydrated for better digestion and satiety. Drinking enough water helps digestion and keeps hunger in check. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Herbal teas or infused water are great alternatives to sugary drinks. Relying too much on processed protein sources. While protein bars and prepackaged protein shakes can be convenient, they often contain added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Whole food sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes are always the better choice. Skipping carbs completely. Low carb doesn't mean no carbs. Cutting out all carbs can lead to fatigue and low energy levels. Instead, opt for complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes to maintain balanced energy. Not including enough fiber. A high-protein meal without fiber can lead to digestive issues and increased hunger. Vegetables, legumes, and whole grains help regulate digestion and keep you full longer. Overeating high-fat protein sources. While nuts, cheese, and fatty meats provide protein, they also contain a lot of calories. Overconsumption can slow down weight loss progress. Moderation is key. Ignoring portion control. Even healthy meals can lead to weight gain if portion sizes are too large. Using a food scale or measuring cups can help maintain the right balance of protein, fats, and carbs. Choosing the wrong cooking methods. Frying in unhealthy oils or drowning your meal in high-calorie sauces can ruin the benefits of a high-protein lunch. Opt for grilling, baking, or steaming instead. Not drinking enough water. Protein digestion requires water, and dehydration can lead to bloating or slow metabolism. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports digestion and energy levels. Eating too quickly. Eating too fast can lead to overeating before your body realizes it's full. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and savor your meal to enhance digestion and satisfaction. Relying too much on dairy-based proteins. While Greek yogurt and cheese are good sources of protein, too much dairy can cause bloating or digestive discomfort for some people. Mix up your protein sources with plant-based or lean meat options. Ignoring meal variety. Eating the same meals daily can lead to boredom and cravings for unhealthy foods. Keep things interesting by rotating protein sources, trying new spices, and experimenting with different recipes. High-protein lunches are key for weight loss. Prioritizing protein in your lunch can help keep you full, maintain muscle, and boost your metabolism. The right meal choices can make weight loss easier and more sustainable. Meal prep can set you up for success. Planning your meals in advance prevents unhealthy choices. Prepping ingredients ahead of time saves time and ensures you always have a nutritious option ready. Balance is more important than restriction. It's not about cutting out food groups, but about making smarter choices. Including lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber helps create a balanced, satisfying meal. Experiment with different protein sources. Don't get stuck eating the same thing every day. Try different proteins like fish, tofu, beans, or eggs to keep meals exciting and nutrient-rich. Small changes lead to long-term results. Even small adjustments, like replacing white bread with whole grains or adding extra protein, can have a big impact over time. Sustainable habits matter more than quick fixes. Listen to your body's needs. Everyone's nutritional needs are different. Pay attention to hunger cues, energy levels, and digestion to find what works best for you. Stay consistent, but be flexible. Life happens, and sometimes you'll eat out or grab something quick. That's okay. The key is to get back on track with healthy choices without guilt. Hydration complements your diet. Drinking enough water helps with digestion, energy, and satiety. Try herbal teas or infused water for variety if plain water feels boring. Share and enjoy the journey. Healthy eating is more enjoyable when shared with friends and family. Cooking together or trying new recipes makes the process more fun and sustainable. Start today. Small steps matter. The best time to start is now. Pick one new high-protein lunch idea from this guide and give it a try. Small steps will lead to lasting progress on your weight loss journey. And that's it, 20 high-protein lunch ideas to help you lose weight and stay full. These meals are simple, delicious, and perfect for keeping your energy up throughout the day. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorite high-protein lunch ideas too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post weekly videos on healthy eating, meal prep, and weight loss tips to keep you on track. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It's all about making small, smart choices that add up over time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here and making your health a priority. Keep taking steps toward your goals. Every meal counts. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep crushing it. Until then, happy meal prepping and enjoy your high-protein lunches.